Hello everyone, welcome to CAD NEST. I am Lloyd from Nagar branch. In the previous class, we have discussed about modeling tools. There are like box, cylinder, cone, sphere, pyramid, wedge, torus, and also extrude, loft, revolve, sweep. So these are the modeling tools, and you can see extra two tools are there. Like first one Polysolid, second one Presspull. Okay, Presspull view response to the type of object you have. Select create, and first I will take Polysolid and change the views. Like take top, also take top, take shaded with edges, and go to home or click home button. Like the isometric view will be here, and I will take Polysolid. So Polysolid will be, it's create like wall type of, it's like a wall type of feature. It's like you see, it's built like a wall. It's used in civil field. Next one, Presspull. Presspull is nothing but extrude. Presspull is nothing but a extrude. Like I will show you. I will take a simple drawing like this, and I will first show extrude how work and Presspull. The difference between extrude and Presspull I will show you. First I will take extrude, click on the drawing and extrude it, and also take same drawing and take Presspull. Take Presspull, enter, like this. So Presspull and extrude, the material will be added.